project which we are going to make today, snake game, and I'm going to show you how it works. When we touch the red color thing, the snake's size gets big, and when the snake touches the edge, the game gets over. And let's make it. Delete the cat and go to paint a sprite. Then take a square and change its size to green as the snake. And draw a small square. Then go to code and then take a green flag option. Then go to control and take a forever block. Then take one F block. Take 4 F blocks. And then go to motion and take this, move 5 steps. Then go to sensing and take this, if space key press, keep it everywhere in the F block. Then here keep up arrow, then go to motion and take this, point in direction and set it to up. Then here set it down. Then take a point in direction again and set it to down. Then take again and keep it to right, and it should leave it like that. And then take it again and keep it left and set it to left, and see whether the snake is going like this. Then go to forever block and keep this, create clone of myself. Then go to event and take this when green flag clicked, and take a forever block and an if block. Then in the backdrop, paint a backdrop and select this text and type here you win. And game over by taking another backdrop. Then go to code and here keep if touch edge. Then go to looks and take this switch backdrop to 3 and here keep switch backdrop to 1 and go to motion and take this go to block and set it to 0. Then go to control and take this stop all. Then create a variable and type length. And click OK. Then go to control and scroll down and take this. When I start a clone and take this delete clone and keep it here. Then scroll up and take this, wait for 1 second and keep it here. Then go to variable and take this length and keep it here. Duplicate this and delete this if touch edge and put here to backdrop 2. Here go to operator and take a equal to operator and go to variable, take length and here keep 20. So when the length become into 20, it says you win. Then paint a sprite, take the color red and a circle and then go to code and take this green flag option, then go to motion and take this, go to random, then go to variable, take this set length to 0, then take a forever block and an if block, then go to sensing and take this touching mouse pointer and keep it sprite 1. Then inside here keep, go to random and go to variable and take this change length by 1 and see whether it's working like this. When the snake touches the edge, it says game over, and when it touches the food, and can you see that the snake is increasing its size? And that's it.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.